Alright, so we will now take a look at another example of using the shoelace method to find the area. Okay, and this time around you realize that in example 12, all the 5 points, the coordinates of the 5 points are given. So let's take a look at the question. A polygon has vertices at A -2, -5, B -3, 1, C 0, 9, D 1, 8, and E 3, 5. Find the area of the polygon and show that the area is 25 units square. Now you realize that in this case, okay, you need to sketch diagram. So do sketch your diagram, okay? And the reason why I need you to sketch the diagram is so that I can tell which is the anti-clockwise direction, okay? Because if I'm just doing this question alone, I don't know which direction is it going. Is it from A it goes to B, or from A it goes to E? We do not know, okay? So let's just quickly sketch it, okay? And because we have to sketch it quite accurately, like I guess in this case. So I have x -2 and -5, so somewhere here, I guess. So -2, -5, maybe somewhere here. Okay, and then B is -3 and 1. So -3 is after A, but above here. So maybe somewhere here. Okay, C is 0, 9. So C will be on the y-axis, and it's here. So again, it's not really accurate because it's should be higher up, but it's okay. D is 1, 8, so maybe just below here. And E is 3, 5. So perhaps somewhere um, here. Okay, so we have something like this. Okay, again, not really that accurate. Okay, but yeah, it's a polygon lah. Okay, so it's a five-sided polygon. It should be a pentagon. Maybe by this should be somewhere here instead. Then make it easier to see. Okay, okay, erase this. Okay, maybe we can put our D somewhere here lah. Okay, at least can see it's a bit more obvious that it's five-sided. Okay, but regardless, okay, now you realize that if I didn't draw and I assume that ABCD is in an anti-clockwise direction, I would have gotten the wrong answer because ABCDE is actually in the clockwise direction. Whereas what I'm interested in is to go in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so if I choose A as starting point, the next point I should put should be E, and then D, and then C, and then B. Okay, and then go back to A. So let's quickly find the area. So find the area of polygon ABCDE. So we have area of A, B, C, D, E. Okay, let's just choose A as my starting point. But again, you can choose B, C, D, or E. Let's get the same answer. As long as you get the order correct, you do your shoelace method correctly, you expand it correctly, you should get the same answer. Okay, so let's just take A. So A is -2 and -5. E will be 3 and 5. So from A we go to E. From E we go back to D. So D is 1, 8. From D we go to C, which is 0, 9. And then we go to B, which is -3, 1. And then remember to go back to A, which is -2, -5. Okay. And then the way you explain is still the same thing. We do all the positive first, and then we settle the negative. So we have the -2 times 5. So this is -10. Okay, 3 times 8 plus 24. 1 times 9, which is plus 9. 0 times 1, I'll just put that 0 just to make my working neater. -3 times -5, I will get plus 15. Okay, so make sure that the diagonals are very obvious. Make sure that you write your shoelace thing properly. Okay, then we do all the negative. So 3 times -5, so minus bracket -15. Okay, and then here I have 1 times 5, which is -5. 8 times 0, so minus 0. -3 times 9, so minus -27. And then -2 times 1, which is -2, so minus -2. Okay, and then we just need to calculate this. So we can slowly calculate this. We have half bracket 24 minus 10 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. Okay, 23 plus 15, 33, 38. I mean, you can just type this into the calculator lah. Okay, then minus become positive, so plus 15 minus 5 minus 5 minus 0 I can ignore. Minus and minus become plus, so plus 27. Minus and minus become plus 2. Okay, and then solve this. So I have 38 this is 10, so 38 plus 10 is 48, 48, 50, 77. So 77 divided by 2, so I have 77 over 2 unit square. Okay, feel free to actually leave it in your fraction, or you can leave it in your decimal. So 77 divided by 2 will get me 38.5, I guess. Yep, 38.5. So up to you. You can leave it in like this, or you can leave it in whichever you prefer lah. Okay. All right. So important thing again, make sure your shooting is correct. Make sure you go in anti-clockwise direction. Make sure you expand correctly. Now let's say part 2 show that the area of triangle AC is 225 units. So now I'm interested. I will just use back the same sketch I have. So I'm interested in this triangle ACE. Okay. So anti-clockwise direction, I must go from A, go to C, go to E, and then go to C, and go back to A. So what I can do is area of triangle ACE is given by half, and then let's start from A again. Okay, doesn't matter, you can start from any point lah. Maybe let's start from E lah. Okay, just to mix it up a bit. And then we go to C, so C is 0, 9, and then we go to A is given by -2, -5, and we go to back to E, which is 3 and 5. Okay, and then just need to calculate this out. So same thing, we just need to do all the addition first. So 3 times 9 is 27, 0 times -5 is 0, -2 times 5 is -10, so plus -10. Then you will do all the subtractions. Okay, so we have 0 times 5 is 0, so minus 0, -2 times 18 is minus -18. Okay, and then 3 times 95 is -15, so minus -15. Okay, and then you just need to solve your answer. Okay, so 27 plus 0 is 27, plus minus 10, so 17, minus 0 is still 17, 17 plus 18 will get me 35, 35 plus 15 will get me 50. So I have half times 50, which will get me 25 units square. And then you can just put there, shown. Okay, so I hope this is quite straightforward. I hope this example will help you on how to actually solve questions involving the area of triangles, quadrilaterals, or polygons even using the shoelace method. Okay, if you have any questions, do drop me a text. Okay, and then we can go through it when you all come back in week 4. All right.